Hello, trade recap of today. Today I lost 1 hour, $330. Um, Starting with the daily bias. On the daily, I really didn't like this. So overall today shouldn't be. I shouldn't have even taken a trade, to be honest. Like at all. Um, I mean, even if I did take a valid one, I would probably get stopped out because of bias. But first of all, we had the daily candle without a wick, and we had a massive end dog. So we could have been or long or short, but I was long because of order flow basically. Um, we only went up, and we had these highs that looked really good for me. So going with order flow, and on the 1 hour it looked like this here. Everything was balanced out, just not here. And yeah, we tapped this 1 hour order block and we respected it nicely. And on the 15 minute, we looked like this. We had a 15 minute fair value gap here, which I took a trade off, but I shouldn't have because we were very chopped. We had lots of news too, but we looked like this basically. Yeah, I shouldn't have taken the trade. I'm not sure what else to say. Hmm. My thought process of because why we shouldn't go here was because we had this high very close. So I expected this high to get taken at least. So that was quite a good RR for me, but still, I don't know. On the 15 minute, I don't know. It's just not a clear day today. Just for me, I don't know. I was very confused with the bias. Like we could have been long, we could have been short, but I don't know. And also, I broke my rules today. I forced a trade basically. Um, we we did tap into this 15 minute fair value gap, but we tapped it with this news candle. So we tapped it with this news candle, and there wasn't a very clean CISD because we didn't really close there somewhere. Like it's not the typical CISD. Um, so the CISD would be after we close above this wick, but I didn't want to wait, so I just took a random ass trade, like yeah, of this basically of the body without closing above it. We closed above the body, but we didn't close above the wick, so I broke my rules. The CISD, I don't know, was a bad CISD. I'd say I forced this trade, to be honest. Yeah, I just forced these trades because I don't know, this evaluation phase is really pissing me off, to be honest. So yeah, I gotta stop thinking about that, to be honest. Just focus on the trading and just slowly get there. After I took this loss, I did take a trade, one more, um, with one contract, like $200 risk. But I went break even really quickly because that was breaking my rules too. I kind of, I don't know, revenge trade or whatever. Not really revenge trade, but I just broke my rules of staying with one loss. So I didn't want to lose that. But the second trade was more valid. Like if I was to lose today, then this would be the trade that would be a valid loss basically. Since I was bullish, we tapped this 15 minute order block and this 15 minute fair value gap again. After that, I was waiting for a 1 minute CSD, which was this massive move basically. So yeah, I entered off that stop loss like somewhere below this fair value gap, little one. I entered off that. We took out news high with equal highs basically, and just dumped down after that. So I'd say this was the valid trade. So even if I did take a valid trade today, I would have probably gotten stopped out because I wouldn't go break even here. It would be too early for me, so I'd definitely get stopped out. So yeah, the bias was wrong, I guess. We also had Trump talking about tariffs and just a lot of news, as you can see here. We waked up, week down with no news on Forex Factory basically. Here, this was a dump. Yeah, just news to be honest. So, wrong bias. I don't really care about this trade, I guess, since this one was a valid trade and I would have lost anyway. So, but still, I shouldn't break my trades like that, to be honest. And yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it.